Hey guys, it's Rudrita here. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel The Beautiful Soul and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications of all my latest video updates.
Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I am going to share top 5 best foundations for Indian skin tone. Now I have used a lot of foundations, some impressed me really well and some disappointed me, but here I have picked these 5 foundations work amazingly on my skin. I am totally impressed with all these. So I have thought to share my experience with you all guys, but here is a little disclaimer for you people all. Each skin type is different from other skin type. These foundations work amazingly on my skin doesn't mean that it will work on your skin. My skin type is combination skin type and these foundations are simply amazing. So enough of this much blabbering, let's check what the foundations are.
The first foundation of this series is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The foundation is my all-time favorite. My shade is 115 Ivory. They have a lot of shades in this range which are perfect for Indian skin tones. This matte poreless foundation gives very nice flawless finished skin and its coverage is normal to medium. It retails for Rs 575 for 30 ml product and easily available at online and physical stores. These foundations are good for combination and oily skins. I am a huge fan of this foundation. For me, this drugstore foundation can easily compete any high-end foundation. Its staying power is good 4 to 5 hours. The next foundation is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation with SPF 45. This is another amazing foundation from the house of Lakme. I love the packaging of this foundation and dropper system does not let the product to waste. It gives nice dewy radiant finish onto the skin and make the skin feel like healthy and glowing. This foundation has 6 shades and all are perfectly created for Indian skin tones. My shade is 02 Rose Silk. It gives normal to medium coverage. It costs Rs 750 for 50 ml product and this foundation is perfect for dry and combination skin. The next one is PAC HD Liquid Foundation. The packaging of this foundation is quite classy. It comes with this outer box and the foundation bottle is securely stored inside the box. The pumping foundation container is something that I love the most. It helps to get you the exact amount of the requirement. This is a semi-matte foundation which makes your skin nice and flawless. They have 23 shades and all are perfect for Indian skin tones. My shade is 2. Single application gives medium coverage, but if you apply it twice, then it gives nice full coverage. It gives a neutral, natural glow to the skin which I like the most. It retails for 795 for 30 ml product. It stays for good 7 to 8 hours on the skin. It goes well for all skin types. The fourth foundation is Essence All About Matte Oil Free Makeup Foundation. This is a matte oil free foundation which all we need in Indian summers. The best thing about this foundation is it won't make you sweat in summers. They have couple of shades which are perfect for Indian skin tone. My shade is 10 Matte Beige. The packaging is quite travel friendly which you can carry wherever you want. It retails for Rs 399 for 30 ml product. It stays for good 4 to 5 hours although they claim it for 12 hours lasting. It is good for oily skin and combination skin type. The last foundation of this series is Maybelline Dream Cushion Foundation. Oh my god, this is one of the best products from Maybelline. It is easy to apply, gives nice coverage, makes skin smooth, supple and flawless. It is simply my love. The packaging is as similar to the cushion foundations and it comes with a nice mirror inside it. It has SPF 20 and has 5 different shades and all are good for Indian skin tones. My shade is 30 Sand. Its packaging is perfect for traveling. It retails for 999 of. This foundation is good for almost all skin types.
Like this video. If if you like this video, then don't forget to like and share this with your friends and family. So this is Rudrita signing off. Take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.